Okay, last class discussed about some G codes and M codes, how to write the programs. Okay, when you used G codes, when you used M codes. Okay, now how to write the program in CNC turning and facing operation. Okay, suppose this one given problem. Okay, this one step turning operation. Okay, by using this operation, you can uh, perform both the turning operation as well as the facing operation. Okay, here three different steps are there. This one step visible, right? Hello, visible or not? Oh, okay. Here, write a manual part program for linear interpolation for the given part and execute. Okay, linear interpolation means along the longitudinal direction you can remove the unwanted material, and also along with longitudinal direction you can remove the material from perpendicular or lateral direction. Here three different steps are there. This one 20 mm, this one 14 mm, and this one 10 mm. Okay, here to first step length is 20 mm, second step length is 20 mm, third step length is 10 mm. Okay, by using G codes and M codes you can write the part program. Okay, first you can select the billet. Okay, open the bracket, billet, capital billet, space, capital X21, then along z direction z50. Okay, because always the tool is moving in this direction. Okay, first along x direction 20 mm 21 you can give. Okay, the overall larger diameter is 20, but you can give 21 because once you select the tool, okay, always the tool and workpiece is not contact with each other. That's why the tool is away from 1 mm away from the workpiece. Then Z 50 mm. Okay, this one here to here 20 mm, this one 20 mm 40, 40 plus 20 50 mm. Okay, Z 50 mm somewhere here, but along x direction in this lateral direction x21 is there, but the diameter of the specimen is 20 mm. Okay, that's why you can give 21. Okay, once you give the x21, the tool 1 mm away from the workpiece or specimen. Okay, next one N0010, G21 and G98. Okay, once you give the G21, what is the meaning of G21? G21, G98. See here, G21. G21 means input in mm because all dimensions are in mm. That's why you can consider G21. Then G98. Okay, G98. Okay, see here. G91, G95 is there. G98, nothing but feet per minute. Okay, this one dimensions codes. G21 nothing but all dimensions are in mm. G98 nothing but feet per minute. Then G28 means return to reference point. Okay, return to reference point. Okay, first N00, this one common factor. Okay, N00, 10, 20, 30, 40. It means that N10 nothing but first line. N20 means second line. N30 means third line. Okay, like that. The N0010, N0020 indicates number of lines. Next, here once you selecting the dimensions are in mm and feet per minute. Okay, G21. and G98. Then N0 next line N00 20 are 20, G98 U0 W0, G28 nothing but the tool is come back to original position or return to original position. Then U0 and W0 nothing but here U0 W0. Okay, the feed is in 0 condition because the workpiece and specimen in between both workpiece and specimen some gap is there. Okay, once you both the specific workpiece or tool is contact with workpiece, in that time you can give U0 and W0. Next then N0030, M006, M06 and T01. Okay, T01 means for pacing operation you can select the tool number 1. Okay, T01 nothing but you can select the tool for different operation. First you go for pacing operation, you can select the tool number 1. You go for turning operation. Okay, in both pacing and turning you can use both single point cutting tool only. Okay, suppose you go for some other operation, you can select the tool. Okay, in that time you can consider T02. But here pacing and turning operation you can select you can perform by using single tool only. Okay, that's why here you can consider T01. Once you considering the tool, next you go for speed, rotation speed of the specimen. Okay, once the specimen is fixed in conventional machining process, specimen is fixed inside the either 3 or 4 jaw check. Okay, once you fix the specimen, you can give the speed. Okay, depends upon the operation, you can select the speed. Okay, here N0040, M03, S 1200. Okay, the spindle is rotated. S nothing but spindle is rotated 1200 RPM. 1200 RPM. Okay, once the workpiece is rotated either clockwise or anti-clockwise direction, next you can give the feed. You can give the feed. Okay, N0050, G00, X21 and Z2. Why you can give X20 and Z2 means here here Z means in this direction, X means in this direction. Okay, that's why you can give along X and Z direction only. X you can give 21, Z 2 mm. Okay, once you give the Z2, okay, the tool is contact with the workpiece. Plus sign indicates the tool is moving towards the specimen. Negative sign indicates the tool is moving away from the workpiece. Next one N0060, G90, X20, Z-20, F60. Okay, X means along X direction, Z means Z direction, F means feed. Okay, per revolution per minute this much of material is removed. Okay, F60. Okay, that much of material is removed from the workpiece per minute. Then you go for Z minus 20 means in that time the tool is contact with the workpiece. Okay, the diameter of the workpiece is 20 mm. That one same. Then you go for reduce the length. Reduce the length of the specimen. Okay, then you go for next line N0070, G90. G90 means both workpiece is rotated along axis, center axis of the lathe, and also the tool also moving from left to right and right to leftward direction. The X18 already given along Z direction 20. Okay, that one automatically consider for next line. Then next step G90, X16. Okay, 14, 12, 10. Okay, each and every line you can reduce 2 mm 2 mm that much of material you can remove from the workpiece. First 20 mm, 18, 16, 14, then 12, then 10. Okay, see here how to remove the material. Okay, the first step diameter is 10 mm. Okay, the up to diameter 10 mm the material is removed. Okay, why here z minus 20 means you can give the minus 20 means along z direction. Okay, here towards rightward direction the work here reference point to towards rightward direction the you can consider positive, reference point to leftward direction you can consider negative value. Okay, this one along z direction, this one along x direction. Okay, G90 in beginning before reduce the this particular step 10 mm. Okay, G90 x21 and z minus 20. Okay, minus 20 means year to year. Okay, this one reference point, this one reference point, year to year the along z direction the tool is moving because the step number 1 length is 20 mm. Each and every layer you can remove only 2 mm, that much of material you can remove. See here G90 x20 z minus 20 f60. Okay, further step no need to specify z and feed. Okay, directly you can consider G90 x80 18. Okay, the along the diameter of specimen reduces 20 mm to 18 mm. Again next step 18 to 16, 16 to 14, 14 to 12, 12 to 10. Okay, after completion of first step then you go for second step. Okay, second step N0 120 G0 nothing but the tool is come back to original position or interpolation position. Again you can give x21 z minus 20. Okay, x21 means the original diameter, the larger step diameter is 21, but you can give 1 mm extra because the tool is moving along longitudinal direction. Once you give 20 mm along x direction, in that time the tool is touches to workpiece. In that time small amount of material is removed from the workpiece. That's why always you can give some small amount of gap between the tool and workpiece. Then z minus 20. Z minus 20 means somewhere here tool is there. Okay, this step is over. Z minus 20 means somewhere here tool is there. Along x direction 21 means somewhere here. Again you can give G90 means the tool is moving. Okay, G90 x 20 mm z minus 40. Minus 40 means here to this one reference point already 20 mm over. Remaining second step length is 20 mm. Year to year 40 mm. Okay, you can give minus 40 mm. Here G90 x20 z minus 40 f60. Here also for second step same feed. Same feed you can give. Then this particular second step reduces 20 mm diameter is reduces to 14 mm. Okay, up to 14 mm each and every step you can reduce 2 mm. See here again next step G90 x18. Next one G90 x16. Then G90 x14 minus 40 feed f60. Okay, here first step the 20 mm diameter of rod is converted to 18 mm. Next step 18 to 16 mm, 16 to 14 mm the diameter of workpiece or specimen is reduced. Then again one more step is there. See here larger one, last step. Okay, this one 20 mm diameter and the step length is 10 mm. Okay, once you give the G00 x20 and z0 means the tool is come back to origin or original point. Somewhere here the tool is present. Once you give Z90 x21 z50 mm. Okay, minus 50 mm. Here 40. Sorry, here 20, this one 20, 40 mm, remaining 10 mm, 50 mm. Okay, once you can give the z minus 50 means the tool is moving horizon to this second step, third step. See this up to second step over. Then you go for third step Z00 X21 Z minus 40. Okay, again Z90 X20 Z minus 50 F feed is 60. Okay, already 20 mm is there. This one diameter of third step is 20 mm. No need to further reduce the diameter. Okay, X20 Z minus 50 feed 60. Okay, any small amount of material, unwanted material present on top of the specimen, that material is removed. Once you can give the X20, finally you get the larger diameter of step is 20 mm. Then G28 U0 W0. Okay, here G28 means the tool is come back to original position. Then here you feed some work means sometimes we are using some coolant. Okay, you can stop the coolant and feed. Then M05 means coolant stop. Last M30 means coolant mission stop or program stop. Okay, this much steps are required to complete these three different steps. Okay, this one once you open the bracket, you are not closing any bracket. Okay, after completion of all steps, there is no close. Any doubts? You can practice. Once you know the G codes and M codes, then only we can easily write the program. Or else very difficult. What is the use of G01, G98, G28, U0, W0, M06 means coolant on, T01 means select tool number 1, M03 means the tool is moving either left side or right side. Then you can give speed of rotation speed of the spindle rotation speed of the specimen. Okay, like that you can write the program. Next specimen. Okay, this one different steps are there. Here some curve is there. Here some circular curve is there. Here taper shape is there. Here small groove is there. Here larger step is there. Okay, see here to reference to end of the specimen length is 100 mm, second step length 90, third 80, 70, 60, 55, 30, 20 and 15, and diameter also is given. Okay, this one 10, this one 6, this one 25, 30, 40 and last one is 50 mm diameter. Okay, by using G codes and M codes you can write the program. Okay, here also same billet X50 Z100. Okay, year to year. Okay, overall length of the specimen is 100 mm. X50 means the larger diameter of the specimen is 50 mm. Okay, once you can give X50, billet means raw material. Okay, billet nothing but raw material. Once you give X50 and Z100, the tool is somewhere here. Then you can give G21, G98. Okay, the program is start. Then you can give G28, U0, W0. Okay, feed and coolant will be on. Next one M06, T01. Okay, the coolant is on. T01 nothing but tool. You can first tool you can select. Then M03 S1200. Here both facing and turning operation you can go with higher speed only. Only thread cutting and knurling operation you can go with lower speed or select less speed for thread cutting operation and knurling operation. In all step turning and facing turning operations you can select higher speed only. Then next step Z00 X52 Z2 plus 2. Okay, here the year to year, that one larger diameter. Okay, 50 diameter of the specimen, and Z means Z0 means somewhere here. Okay, this particular phase exactly coincide with somewhere here. Once you give the Z plus 2 means the tool is moving 2 mm away from the reference point. Okay, plus 2. Then you can give G71 U1 R1. R1 means radius of that one. Okay, G71 P80 Q 190 U0 0.5 W 0.5 and feed 100. Okay, here U P Q U is there. Okay, U W is there. Okay, W means one direction, U is one more direction, Q and P and Q are P80 Q 190. Okay, here feed is 100 mm. Okay, 100 mm per minute. Okay, once you give these values, again you can give x0 sorry G01 x 10 mm. Okay, automatically this one reduces. Okay, here 52 mm diameter to reduces to 10 mm. Okay, and you can give along z direction 15 mm minus this one reference point towards rightward direction plus towards leftward direction negative sign. Okay, x 10 z minus 30 mm. Okay, minus 30 mm. Minus 30 mm is okay. This one 15 here to here 20 mm somewhere here. Okay, here to 30 mm. Up to here the material 10 mm diameter of material is present. Okay, in between 10 mm to 20 mm one groove is there here. After 15 mm from rightward, one small diameter of groove is there. That diameter is 6 mm. Then once you give minus 30 minus 55 x10 then x15 minus 55 then x25 minus 55 x25 minus 60 here this one x means along lateral direction. Okay, z means along longitudinal direction. Okay, up to here x means diameter. Okay, the diameter of step up to here 55 25 mm is there. Then here the small circular curves are there here and here. In that time the tool is rotated counterclockwise or clockwise direction. Okay, here you can after 60 the Z02 means the tool is rotated counterclockwise direction, x30 z minus 70 and r10. R10 means radius of that semicircle. See here semicircle radius 10 mm is given. Okay, or 10 you can give. In that time the semicircular groove is created. Then one more semicircular groove is there, G01 x30 z minus 80. Okay, in that time this one up to here 70 80 means somewhere here the material is removed up to here. Then again one more circular groove is there, that radius is 10 mm. See here G02 x50 z minus 90 and you can give R10. Again G0 one more step is there, larger step, that the larger step diameter 50 mm, G01 x50 and z minus 100. Then you can stop the coolant, stop the feed, stop the speed of the machine. G28 U0 W0 M06 T02 means you can select the tool. If you want any secondary tool means you can select, because here semicircular grooves creating by using same single point cutting tool. For finishing operation you can select some other tool T00 T02. Then M03 speed you can decrease it for finishing operation. For rough cutting you can select 1200 rpm. For finishing operation spindle speed s equals 1000 rpm. Then Z00 x10 z minus 15 minus 15. Then G78 75 x6 z minus 20 P 200, Q 200, feed 50. Finally, you can stop all feed and rotation speed of the spindle. Okay, like that you can write the program. Okay, you can refer these programs for writing the CNC part program. See here, some other steps are there. Okay, this one easy step. Okay, here this one 30 mm diameter, this one 20 mm, and this one 10 mm diameter. Overall length of the specimen is 100 mm, and so many steps are there because of taper, because of corners. So many steps are there. By using these programs, you can write the part program. Okay, here thread cutting operation is there. Okay, right side of the specimen, some thread cutting operation is there. M12 into 2P means P nothing but pitch. M12 means the diameter of the this one is 12 mm. Okay, in that time you can select M12 into 2P. Pitch into 2 into diameter. You get some value. Okay, that is the thread cutting value. Okay, see here different shape you can create it by using CNC. Okay, you can read these programs for writing part program.